Hello, in this video I will show you how to integrate Download Manager with MemberPress. Now, go to the MemberPress settings page. Open the Integrations tab. This is the MemberPress integration page. Here, you can see 22 plus default integrations. Enable Download Manager integration and enable other settings for your requirements. After that, click To Save button. Save the changes. Now, go to the Affiliates page. This is the MemberPress Affiliates page. Here, you can see all the affiliate users for this site. Using an affiliate link, the customer visits your website. The customer opens your link and then purchases the download product. Open the product page and click To Download button. This is the product detail page. Now, add this product to your cart. This is the cart page. Enter your login details or register a new user. Enter the login details and click To Login button. Select the payment method and click the PayPal Checkout button. Now, click To Complete Purchase button. See? The product is purchased. Now, go to the back-end side MemberPress commission page. This is the MemberPress commission page. Here, you can see all the commission-related entries. See, the first entry is Download Manager Product Commission. Go to the Affiliate User Affiliate panel. This is the MemberPress Affiliate panel. Now, open the Commission tab. Here, affiliate users see all the commission-related records. Affiliate user also sets Disable Commission on a product-wise. Go to the Downloads All Files page. This is the Downloads Files page. Here, you can add a new file or wise edit an existing file. Now, edit the existing file. Scroll down and open the MemberPress tab, and disable the MemberPress commission option. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.